In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Spotify on Apple Watch. Make sure you have installed the Spotify app on your iPhone. Also, you have installed the Spotify app on your Apple Watch. If you don't have the Spotify on your watch, you can just go to App Store and then just install the Spotify app. After that, go to your app library by pressing this crown and open the Spotify app here. And now here, as you can see, I'm already listening a music on my iPhone Spotify, and here we can see the music name is showing. Now using your Apple Watch, you can pause and resume the music here, and you can go to next music by tapping on this icon on your Apple Watch, as you can see. And now if you want to change your Spotify speaker, you can just tap on this device icon, and here you can select iPhone. Then the Spotify music will only play on your iPhone speaker. And if you see here Apple Watch, then select Apple Watch to use your Apple Watch speaker for your Spotify music. Go back from here by pressing this crown and again opening my Spotify, and here we can see if you tap on Spotify, then you can swipe to the left side to go to your Spotify library. Here you will find all of your playlist, and here you can also go to your home page. So this is my Spotify home page. You can use the search icon to search for a specific song or album artist. So that's how you can actually use Spotify on our Apple Watch. Thanks for watching.